Hello guys. First we will look towards the definition of philosophy by different philosophers. Cicero, a Roman philosopher, says philosophy is the mother of all arts. And Coleridge, an English poet and philosopher, says philosophy is the mother of all sciences. Next, Plato, an Athens philosopher, Greek philosophers say philosophy is the acquisition of knowledge. And Socrates, who is the teacher of Plato and also a Greek philosopher, says philosophy is a daily activity. Next, according to Levison, philosophy is a mental activity. And Kant Emanuel, a German philosopher, defined the philosophy as the science and criticism of cognition. The science and criticism of cognition. And according to Karl Marx, a German philosopher, says philosophy is the interpretation of the world in order to change it. Next, here we will look towards the name of general philosophies and we will memorize it by an acronym which is PINER. And PINER stands for pragmatism, idealism, naturalism, existentialism, and realism. So, we have five general philosophies: pragmatism, idealism, naturalism, existentialism, and realism. Next, the name of educational philosophies. There are four educational philosophies, and we will memorize the acronym PrEP. P stands for perennialism, reconstructionism, essentialism, and progressivism. Next, we will go towards the philosophy word. Philosophy is derived from two Greek words, phila and sophia. Phila means love, sophia means wisdom. So, philosophy is the love for wisdom. Now, we will look towards the areas of the philosophy. There are three main areas of the philosophies. Here we will look the name of these areas. The first one is ontology, the second one is epistemology, and the third one is axiology. Now we will look what is ontology. Ontology looks for the reality, being, and existence. And we will say the another name of ontology is metaphysics. Ontology is the branch of the metaphysics. Ontology looks for questions like what exists in the world. Next is epistemology. Epistemology deals with nature, sources, and limits of the knowledge. It concerns that what are the boundaries of human knowledge, what are the reliable methods of acquiring knowledge, how we determine what is truth. Now we will look towards the branches of epistemology: theoretical epistemology, which focus on the nature of knowledge and justification; practical epistemology, it examines how knowledge is applied in practical situations; and the social epistemology, it investigates how knowledge apply on the social situations. Next one is axiology. It deals with the study of values and value judgment. Axiologists categorize axiology values into different types, such as moral, aesthetic, economics, and social values. Key concepts in axiology includes value pluralism. It says that multiple values can coexist and can be valid. Now, second is value relativism. This says that values are relative to cultural or personal perspectives. And the third one, value absolutism, the belief that certain values are. Styles of philosophy. There are three styles of the philosophy: speculative philosophy, prescriptive philosophy, and analytical philosophy. So, we will look what is speculative philosophy. Speculative philosophy deals with the development of new ideas, theories, encourage innovative thinking, creativity, and intellectual risk taking. Second is perspective philosophy. This approach deals with the one's perception about truth, beliefs, and ideas in concern about ethics, aesthetics, senses, values, good and bad, good, bad, beauty, etc. So, perspective philosophy deals with it. Next is analytic philosophy. These philosophers focus on the breaking down complex concepts and arguments into their constituent parts, examining their relationships and clarifying their meanings. It's mean this philosophy goes from breaking down complex compound towards whole. In short, we can say speculative philosophy relates with ontology, perspective axiology, and analytic epistemology.